We do so much for our bodies
to maintain the well-being of our physical health. We do exercise almost every day, no matter the weather. We try and eat a lot of healthy stuff, which includes a lot of greens and fruits. You try and take a lot of different vitamins and supplements to maintain that health. And we also try to maintain our skin to make it look nice, shiny, glowy, and ageless.
We clean our houses, our garages, our offices, our clothes, and our bodies on a regular basis or even daily. When was the last time you cleaned your subconscious mind? If you are 40 years old, for example, you have gathered 40 years worth of positive and negative experiences, and you have 40 years worth of unresolved emotions. When was the last time you dealt with that? When was the last time you cleaned your subconscious mind?
Welcome back to Super Cool Mom channel again, and let me take you on a beginner's tour of guided meditation. Take that first step with me to begin cleaning your subconscious mind. Now let's go through some do's and don'ts before beginning our meditation. Make sure to not wear too tight clothes as this will be uncomfortable. Make sure to wear nice loose clothes that are comfortable for the duration of your meditation. Like mentioned before, do not sit on the ground or on the floor. Always have a yoga mat or something underneath you before you sit on the floor. Also, keep a pillow or some sort of back support for yourself to be in a comfortable position. Once you're comfortably seated, close your eyes. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Keep your spine straight. Do not bend your head forwards and do not slouch backwards. Sit in a comfortable position with a straight spine. Now, with your eyes closed, let's evoke the divine form. A form that you connect with. It can be a god, a master, a guide, or a mentor. And if you don't believe in any of that, let's evoke any positive energy in the universe that you can connect with. Now, with your eyes closed, ease into your breathing. Take a deep breath in fully into your belly and relax into the exhale. Become aware of your breathing. Do not force your breathing. Breathe in the nourishment and life force energy. Exhale all the negativity, anger, stress, empowering and embodying you in the here and now. Do not force your breathing. Just concentrate on it. Take a deep breath right into your belly and then slowly exhale all the negativity out. Keep concentrating on your breathing. Do not get distracted. Take a deep breath. Empower yourself with nature surrounding you. Take that breath right into your belly and exhale. Now, with your eyes closed, we will chant the universal sound of Om for 5 times. As you're chanting the mantra of Om, Feel the vibrations in your body. Feel the vibrations of this powerful mantra in your surrounding. Feel the energy, feel the vibrations. Feel the power, feel the peace. Now concentrate in the middle of your eyebrows. Concentrate on the forehead, right in the center of your eyebrows. This is called your brow chakra or your third eye chakra. Focus on that. Gently bring your focus back to the middle of your eyebrows. Keep focusing on that. Do not force yourself. Gently bring your focus right in between your eyebrows. Picturize the color indigo. Gently bring your focus back in between the center of your eyebrows. Focus on your third eye chakra. This chakra is related to wisdom, divine understanding, vision, intelligence, and intuition. Focus on it. Concentrate on your breathing. Stay in this blissful, energized moment a little while longer. Lie down if you feel like it. Remember, you are a blessed human being. Remember, you are loved. Feel that energy within you. With your eyes closed, guide that energy to your belly. Deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now gently move your fingers and your toes. Slowly try and open your eyes. Feel that energy. Feel your surrounding. Feel the vibrations and the energy within you and in your surrounding. This is where we will end our meditation for today. I hope you had a good experience. I hope you were able to cleanse your mind just a little bit. That's it for today. So as you saw, in less than 10 minutes a day, you can make a huge difference in your life. Meditation really helps with cleansing of your subconscious mind. Do this with me just for 21 days and see the difference. See how your life changes for the better. Try this with me, and I promise together we can make a huge positive difference in your life. If you liked anything about this video, don't forget to like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to go through the cleansing of all 7 chakras, and I will happily post a video about that as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You have yourself a great day. Take care. Bye.